Quickdent Implant Innovations, crafting smiles with confidence.
We are delighted to share that Quickdent is now proudly available across 22 states in India. From north to south, east to west, our network of dedicated professionals is spread across the nation. Though we've proudly marked our presence at 25+ national and international events, hosted 30+ educational courses and workshops, and built a strong community filled with inspiring success stories that Why do dentists trust Quickdent? A complete implant system that covers all clinical needs, surgically and prosthetically. Unmatched service and support. A growing network of dedicated channel partners in every operational state. And we're just getting started. Coming up next, Quickdent steps into the future with Digital Implantology. Stay tuned for exciting updates coming soon. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for your unwavering trust and support. Together, we're redefining implantology in India.